In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate Google Drive and Google Docs to create, upload, and manage your files, particularly focusing on using Google Sheets. Let's begin our journey by heading over to Google Drive. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once logged in, navigate to My Drive. This is your main hub within Google Drive, where you can see all your files and folders. Now, you'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. There, you'll see a colorful plus New button. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking New reveals a drop-down menu with various Google services you can initiate, like Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Today, we're focusing on Google Sheets, so select that option to create a new spreadsheet document. This action will open a blank spreadsheet in a new tab, giving you a fresh canvas to work with. Moving forward, your next task is to import some data into this new sheet. So, hover over to the menu bar and click on File. This is your gateway. Too many different options, including sharing, downloading, and, relevant to our procedure today, importing. From the same drop-down menu, locate and select Import. Google Sheets' import feature allows you to bring in data from various file types, which is particularly useful if you're collaborating with others who may not use Google services. Next, you'll see an option to upload. Click on this, and it will let you choose a file from your computer to upload. This feature is fantastic if you have data stored locally that you want to manipulate using Google's powerful spreadsheet tools. Once you click Upload, you'll see a Browse button. Click Browse to search your computer for the specific file you want to import into Google Sheets. You can upload files like Excel spreadsheets, CSV files, or even old Google Sheets from your drive. After selecting the file, sit back for a moment as Google handles the uploading process. Upon completion, you'll see a button labeled Import Data. Click that, and within seconds, your data will be seamlessly integrated into your newly created Google Sheet. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new Google Sheet and imported your data. Using these steps, you'll be able to organize and analyze your data with ease. As you get more familiar with these processes, you'll find these tools invaluable for managing and collaborating on projects. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with Google's suite of tools, you are well on your way to enhanced productivity and data management.